family vacation, and we'll see what's gonna happen.
I think this is what is it? That's a jackrabbit. Clear indications of a struggle. And the contrary right there, man. X marks the spot, man. I think
Yeah, they're dumping chemicals on us to make us infertile.
That's the channel zero, man.
Yeah.
That's what they were talking about.
That's
Bunkers underground.
Bunkers underground. First of all, how do these rock formations even come to be?
Ezekiel's wheel. I think it might be in the Bible, dude. Back in Ezekiel's wheel, there's evidence of rock formations. The extraterrestrials from Ezekiel's wheel would then come and launder the rocks in the formations that they were trying to speak with other intelligent forms. There's a 7-foot figure, dude, and there's a baby Sachme there too.
Wow.
First we saw the big one, and it was waiting for the baby to take a piss. Then it reached its arm out, as if it was an Olympic runner reaching for a baton. We grabbed it, bro.
Wow.
And they were walking off, and our car made all this noise, dude. Our car made all this noise, and the Sachme grabs the baby, puts it on his fucking shoulders. Not on the shoulders, but on the chest. I didn't like the hair color.
What kind of, was it like auburn, dark red, or black?
It was too regular brown.
Okay.
It was faster than anything I had ever seen.
So it clearly wasn't a bear. It clearly wasn't a bear, though, right?
No, it wasn't a bear. It was on 2 legs. Essentially like Patrick Ewing in his prime.
Yeah.
In his prime.
In his prime.
I don't want to call Patrick Ewing in it.
Wait, can you get a close-up on
That's
this?
blood. What does that mean? I don't know what that means. But all of a sudden I'm bleeding.
Where? Where? Where are you going? What is that? No man, fucking toes. Yeah, I mean that thing's a good 14, 15 inches, man. I don't know.
That is.
And a pretty big stride, man, between that and here.
Yo, isn't this the girl that went missing like 3 weeks ago around this area? Sarah Wiley? She was camping here, I think, with some friends. Her friends made it out. They black suits came here. They came and they shut those friends up. Oh, really, dude?
Wait, what's going on?
I was just at 35, and now it's at 25, and I'm not doing anything.
No, I'm not joking.
Hey, your battery's about to die.
My battery's blinking, man.
I'm at 25.
God dang it, man.
It says emergency only.
Are you scared?
Magnetic energy going on out here.
There's some disturbances out there.
You guys see that? Something's moving over there. There's something behind the cacti. There's something moving. What is that? Are you checking your phones, man? My phone is losing battery.
Yeah.
Totally.
That's mine.
Mine's already dead.
I got no reception either.
Day two.
We don't even know where we're at. How much gas do we have?
I don't know, man. We got a little under half a tank. I mean, oh man, there's only a couple roads around here, but as long as we can get out of here before it's still a little bit light.
Should we just follow him? Is that the way out?
No, man. I don't know which way. I've only seen cars leaving, man, but I don't know why. Is no one else going this way?
Should we turn back? Cool.
2014.
In the dark? You have to get closer. It's a little dark. Oh, wait, there's something moving behind you. Did you see that? What is that? Oh my god. I have it. Come. No. Oh my. No. Come. It's coming this way. It's coming this way.
I think you discovered something. What's going on?
It's getting so dark.
So when you guys watch Wolf of Wall Street?